Affiliate reports. To run reports on affiliates within your site, simply go to Site, down on the left hand side to Affiliate Program and click Reports. In this section you can run reports on your affiliates and the amount of sales that have been made. If we look here, you can see it says how much you have made today, the total sales, the total commission paid and pending commissions, and the total number of affiliates. You can run detailed reports based on date ranges. You can also run reports based on each individual affiliate or the courses. This gives you a very simple way to run reports and keep your data safe. You'll see on the left hand side that the menu has changed and you have come into an affiliate section. This section is simply part of the reports. For instance, if I was to go to course and scroll down to reports, I would end up at the same section. Please notice a new tab has opened so that you do not lose the original page. Wherever you see reports, you will be taken to this page where you can run reports on your affiliates and other parts of the course. We make running reports on Zenler very easy, and we also allow you to conveniently run reports on other sections of the site. Please refer to the support docs on the relevant report sections.